project I designed was for a scale drawing project that I actually used in my 7th grade classroom. The goal of the project is for the students to create a scale drawing of a picture, usually of like a cartoon of their choice. The first thing I asked the students is to brainstorm where they've seen the word scale or a scale drawing used before in real life. After they do their brainstorm, I give the students examples of where scale can be used. So for instance, blueprints or maps or advertisements. So then I give them their goal is to create a scale drawing by either enlarging or reducing a cartoon image of their choice. And then this is the link to the direction page. And this just shows the directions of the project itself. So then it goes step by step. So the whole idea of this project is so that students who are absent can then, instead of getting the directions that we worked on in class, can go and watch this tutorial. But also, students tend to work at different paces depending on how complicated their picture is. So this is kind of nice because instead of me explaining a step to 10 students all at different times, this kind of helps the students work at their own pace because they can just kind of move as they need to. So this first step is just choose their cartoon image. This link just brings them to Google to print out an image. The second step is to draw the 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter grid on their image, and this link leads to a video example. After they draw the 1 by 1 centimeter grid, as you can see on this image, they then need to record the dimensions, so they count the length and the width of their image and record that. Then this video shows them how to select a scale and then draw a new size grid.
My length is 7.
So it goes through, and a student is actually explaining how he created his scale, whether he was enlarging it or reducing it, and then how he made his new grid paper to draw his new image on. Then the next step is to actually start redrawing the image and then coloring it. It's really important that students draw one box at a time instead of trying to draw the entire image at once, because that's how you're drawing it to scale. Next is the presentation part of it, so attaching it to a piece of poster paper, making it look nice. And then finally it goes through and it has a reflection for students to answer. So they have to answer what is scale factor. What was their scale factor? Where scale drawings are used in everyday life, which examples were given previously. What they learned about scale or scale factor. What went well for them in the project. What they struggled with in the project. And then ask them how this tutorial could be improved to help students in the future. And that's my project. Thanks.